Lena mi de raig sa chuid seo go dtí an céad cuidead an scéal agus stoppa mar ag cad a dúr ís lei. Cad a dúr tú lei. What did you say to her? What did you say to her? Chuile rud. Gach éin rud. Everything. Fum sa leis. About me also. Or fui misha. Fui na rain a hashka. About the both of us. A hashka's like my dear a gra. No cur sé stocker. Don't let it upset you. Ní bhíonn éon amnacha leis an turvid. There's no names with the survey. Chuile rud na farsanta. Everything is impersonal. Comadar chuile ólis go discréadach férún. They keep all of the information discreetly férún fuirún under secret. Computer a dhéanaan amach an tora dera. It's a computer that makes out a dhéanaan amach that makes out an tora dera the result in the end. Adorchi, she said. Ní chiapas riamh gomain im lone computer. I never thought that I would be a computer father, if you like, that I was going to be the subject of a computer's computations. Strónseir maná a hiúil na stach an té chut agus tugan tú gach ólas tí fúne. Strónseir is like a strónseir. So down here is a strónseir, a stranger. So a stranger of a woman walks in to the house to you, agus tugan tú gach ólas tí fúne, and you give her every bit of information about us. Ach bhí job le déanamh ché, but she had to do a job. Néad fin gan cabhrú leihí. I couldn't not help her. I wasn't able to leave her standing there, if you like. An rud bocht, the poor thing. Tá she postal a gavlín. She's married for 2 years. Agus bhrálé linnev, and she'd love to have a child. Ach an tárasán natá acu, but the apartment that they have, ní leváilthigh an túnéir. The owner wouldn't allow, ní cheadóig an túnéir, the owner will not allow, éon leanamh will not allow any child there. Agus tá an vertigo, the two of them are, ag gobar chun airgid a haláthair. They're working to earn airgid house money, in other words, money for a house. Maranish tá leanamh cuhu, because now tá leanamh cuhu, they're expecting a child. Agus caitheadh siad a bheith amwe, and they have to be out, as an orasan, out of the apartment. Agus níor bhá go gaileach sé a post, and you wouldn't want her to lose her job. Wha. So she's kind of putting the pressure back on the husband, saying, well, I had to help her. You couldn't possibly want me to or affect her job in any way, so I had to help her. I had to give her the answers. Néad fin an doras a rúna sa fussarthaí. I couldn't close the door in her face. Madan úr fluch mar é. A cold, wet morning as it was. An bhéadfin, could I have? Ach, níl éon cheart a géine ólas phríomhádach mar sin all. But nobody has any right. Ólas phríomhádach mar sin, private information like that. So you couldn't have any ólas pársanta, is the phrase we'll use if you're giving or doing an analysis on a story, or sunry pársanta would be personal details. You couldn't have a situation where personal details like that, or a person could get personal details like that. Ní dí féin a bhí sí álorg. It wasn't for herself. Ní dí féin. Ní raibh na freagraí dí féin. The answers weren't for her. Bhí srá ceistena tucaite. There was a series of questions. A srá is a series. So bhí srá ceistena tucaite le cur agus, she was given a series of questions le cur to ask. Agus na freagraí le scrí síos. And the answers had to be written down. Le scríomh síos. Okay? Job a bhí dí sin. It was a job for her. Job má leis. It was a good job too. An áirithe sin sa ló. An áirithe sin. So an áirithe sin is like an maid seo. So an maid kinta, if you like. A certain amount per day. Sa ló is like sa lá. Agus costa sí taistil. and travel expenses. Beg me ábalta an sir nua son a cheannach as. I'll be able to buy that new cooker. A sir nua is a new cooker as. Tusa, Connus, you, how? Bog Greg inish. Settle down now. Ní chuaigh sé isteach an gán uncum a gutsa. It won't affect the con is tax. So con uncum is income tax. So it won't affect that income tax of yours. Leválan siad an áirithe sin. Leválan siad. Ceadaíonn siad. They allow. So they allow that amount or a certain amount. Working wife's allowance mar thugann siad there. They call it the working wife's allowance. Aulas nach éon working wife too, as if you aren't a working wife ag baile at home. Agus cuma son, but that's all the same. Tá tusa conibbrú last May. You're going to be working outside. Cahan, when? Munar vista dom a ifri. When? If you don't mind me asking. Munar vista dom a ifri is if you don't mind me asking or inquiring. So when, if you don't mind me inquiring. So you're going to be working outside. In other words, you're going to be working outside the house. When are you going to be starting this, if you don't mind me asking? Níl ach ober chealadach. It's only part-time work. Provisional work, if you like. A cad doing the shaldach would be a provisional driver's license. So it's only a part-time or provisional work. Unadíocht a dhéanamh di. Unadíocht. An unadí is like a substitute. So an unadíocht, it's standing in. A dhéanamh di. I'll be standing in for her. Fada bheidh sí san hospital, as long as she's in the hospital. Chun an leanamh a bheith kid, having the child. Agus ina sin, and for a while after that. Given siad ráithe sira don leanamh. Given siad, fine siad. So they get a ráithe. A ráithe is 3 months as gaeilge. So given siad ráithe sira, they get a holiday, if you like, or to get a period of time off of 3 months. Don leanamh for the child. A cod marjouler de lanamsa. But what about your own child? Turig me lumme sa basket. I'll take him with me in the basket. A goolan chor in the back of the car. No, ma vín sé dúise, or, if he's awake, in my vaclan. I'll bring him round in my arms. Cara veg on them. It'll be help for me. It's ma a higgin the tinker shin. The tinkers understand that well, or know that well. So now she's really after probably upsetting the husband, saying that she is going to be like the tinkers going around the town. Cadé, why is that? Cén bhainte tá tinkeri leis an gúram? What connection? Cén bhaint? What connection have the tinkers got? Leis an gúram, leis an obair atá le déanamh agat. So what connection is there between the tinkers and the work you're going to be doing? Ní gúnan dína doras hinker. People never close a door on a tinker, or a female tinker. Gmíon leanamh in a bachlan that has a child in their arm. Tigam, I understand now. Tá tú ag tógant an job seo. You're taking this job. Ag dul é tinkeracht, going tinkering, if you like, but what it actually means is ag lor derka is the phrase we'd use as Gaeilge. You're going begging. O goras go doras, from door to door. Ag surveiracht o goras go doras. Surveying from door to door is what I'm going to be doing. Mar go bhfuil tú mí honna mí hásta sa tig, because you're unhappy, dissatisfied in the house? Cé dúirt é sin leat? Who told you that? Tusa, you did. Grouse mí honna mí hásta that I was unhappy and dissatisfied. Ní dúirt riamh. I never said that ever before. Dúris, you told me. Saturve. In the, or you said it, Saturve, in the survey. Féchan Torah an son sa fápar. Look at the results there, look at the evidence there in the paper. Ah, sa survey. Oh, in the survey. Ach sin scéal eile. That's another issue altogether. Ní gá gurb í an iarna a inchin tú sa survey. Ní gá gurb í. There's no need. Ní gá is there's no need. An iarna a inchant. There's no need to tell the truth. A inchant sa survey in the survey. Cut it down to what are you saying? Dá bheicfá an list of questions if you'd seen the list of questions. Fé rudí cho príomhádach. That's fí rudí cho príomhádach. So about such private things. Okay, so fé rudí cho príomhádach. Strónseir maná hiúil na steach. A strange woman walks in. Go dúirinse fisk gach éin nídi. They give her every bit of information if you like. So gonín showing gach éin rudí is the translation I have of it here. Mass ónsi atá agat orm. Do you think that I'm some kind of a fool? Mass too. Okay, so mass ónsi. An gapan too, right? A kappa. No, an gapan too gur ónseach or an ónsi is a ludramon, a fool in Egypt. Do you think I'm some kind of a fool? Dragrius a chuig ceistena. I answered her questions. A dortlat, I told you. Shin rodel ar fad, but that's another matter altogether. Oh. Right? So now she's beginning to make it clear that she did answer the questions, but whether or not her answers were true is an entirely different matter. Agus mother leis job, and in relation to the job, Tom á Hogans chun airgid sar nua hillah, and I'm taking it to earn airgid sar nua a hillah, to earn the money for a new cooker. Shitnilla, that's it. Irainsly. Anyhow, tusa finare. Anyhow, tusa is kushlesh. You're the cause of it. You're the one who caused all this. So tusa tá fragrach is the translation I'm using here for that. So tusa tá fragrach as. Cadé, how's that? Misha finare. I'm the cause of it. Na rudi dúirt lei, the things you said to her. Misha, me. Visa gubber, I was working. Oh vish, oh you were. Nor vi an dival denta. When you'd done the harm, when the harm was already done. Cén dival is sin? What harm? What are you talking about? Ní cuivan lomanish cadienis. I'm not too sure cadienis, cadarinatu, what it was you did. Ach yenis rodagan an vad son, but you did something that morning. A chur an governm, right? A chur an governm, that a chur fargarm, that made me angry. No better gurbe an ihe rivre fin, but maybe it was the night before, rivre fin, before it was, maybe it was the night beforehand, an ihe rivishin. Neither, I'm not sure. Ní lisigum. Agus vi an vad an chol grúma, and the morning was that gloomy. Agus an tig co tone her cown, and the house was that bonus kion is the phrase we'd probably normally use. Tone her cown. It was upside down all over the place. So the house was completely upside down. Tration der shacht after the weekend. Agus an billa ESB tresh shacht, and the ESB bill was after coming. Nor vul she cum when she came into me, ishtachlin a lista kestana, in with her list of questions. Chiapas gur nus os na flachas, a honig she cum. I thought it was down from the heavens that she came. Oh, an sausaf. Oh, the satisfaction a furus that I got. Squealalum fein, like it lured the mach fui gakra, talk, letting everything out, releasing everything out. Agus hurt o halav daraf. Agus hurt o halav daraf. Agus garan more a yena fuin affair.